Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by protecting yourself and the glass. Put on gloves and safety glasses. You'll avoid cuts and chemical splashes. Wet the affected area with warm soapy water and let it sit for 5–10 minutes to soften adhesives and grime. While it soaks, have a plastic scraper and a razor at hand, but don't use the metal blade yet. This first softening step breaks the bond, so removal will be safer and reduces scratching. Once softened, begin lifting the barnacle with a plastic scraper held at a low angle. You want to pry under the edge, not gouge the glass. If it resists, apply isopropyl alcohol or a tar remover and wait 1 to 2 minutes to further dissolve resin. Make slow, controlled strokes. If tiny, stubborn spots remain, use a razor blade flat against the glass at a very shallow angle while supporting the area. This prevents scratching and removes thin. You finish by washing the area with glass cleaner and drying with a microfiber cloth. Check under bright light for any remaining spots. For fine residue, use a clay bar or a light polish to restore clarity, then apply a glass sealant to repel future buildup. If you see light scratches, try cerium oxide polish carefully, but if damage is deep, stop and consult a professional detailer. This avoids worsening scratches and ensures a safe, clear windshield.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.